Hey there, welcome back. Today, I'm diving into the mind-blowing detox benefits of eating onions. You might not believe it, but this humble veggie is a powerhouse for your health. Let's uncover the incredible ways onions can detoxify your body and boost your well-being. First off, onions are nutrient-dense. They're low in calories but packed with vitamins A, C, B6, potassium, and fiber. These nutrients are essential for a healthy body. Now let's talk about heart health. Onions are superheroes here. They contain antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can lower triglycerides and cholesterol, reducing the risk of heart disease. Regular onion consumption can seriously benefit your cardiovascular system. But that's not all. Onions can help regulate blood sugar levels. Thanks to their chromium content, they improve insulin sensitivity and reduce glucose production in the liver. This makes onions a fantastic choice for those with diabetes or prediabetes. Onions also work wonders for your digestive health. They're high in fiber and prebiotics, promoting a healthy gut microbiome. Eating onions regularly can increase beneficial bacteria in your gut, improving digestion and nutrient absorption. And guess what? Onions have powerful anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Quercetin and sulfur compounds in onions help reduce inflammation and fight harmful bacteria. This supports overall health and disease prevention. But there's more. Onions can even support bone health. Studies suggest that eating onions regularly may increase bone density, particularly in postmenopausal women. This can reduce the risk of osteoporosis and keep your bones strong. Onions are also linked to a reduced risk of certain cancers, including colon, throat, and ovarian cancer. The antioxidants and sulfur compounds in onions play a crucial role here, making them a valuable addition to your diet. Finally, let's talk about detoxification. Onions contain sulfur compounds and specific amino acids that act as chelators, binding to heavy metals like mercury and lead and helping to eliminate them from the body. This natural detox process supports overall health. So, why not incorporate more onions into your diet? They're versatile and can be enjoyed raw, cooked, or even pickled. Try adding them to your meals and experience these incredible benefits for yourself. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and inspiration. See you next time.